Hi there, my name is Dave Greenwood, Century 21 Bamber. I'd like to welcome you to 2019 21st Avenue Southwest. We're in the heart of Richmond Park, Nob Hill. I've got a fantastic 3-story detached home to show you today, developed on 4 levels. The 3rd level is fantastic. 2 patios, one in the front, one in the back, is dedicated to the master bedroom and bathroom. Great space. There's designer paint colors that are new throughout the home. New carpet. There's a lot to talk about. Can't wait to show you. Let's go have a look inside. Richmond Park, Nob Hill is just off the downtown core. Shops, pubs and restaurants of Marda Loop are a short walk away. If you work downtown, this is a great location, and some of Calgary's best schools are close by as well. It's under a 5-minute bike ride to the river trails. I want to thank you very much for taking the time to view my listing today, 2019 21st Avenue Southwest. As you can see, we're in a great community. I'm standing on the 3rd level patio right now, looking out at Nose Hill Park and views of downtown. Spectacular views. We're in the inner city core. We've got a lot to talk about this home. I'd love to show you anytime. All the contact information is on the website, www.davegreenwood.net. Thanks very much and have a great day.